channel, welcome back to Goldcoastdebuty, and this is my new segment that I want to start on my channel called Twi Tuesdays on a Thursday. I couldn't decide. Actually, I could decide. Okay, I couldn't decide between Twi Tuesdays or Twi Thursdays, so I sent it to a bunch of people, and I thought it was quite simple that Twi Tuesdays had a little rhyme to it, but some people said Twi Thursdays. I'm like, you know what? I will have it all. I can have it all. So I'm calling it Twi Tuesdays, but I'm actually gonna upload it on Thursday. It does make sense. Just go with it. So the aim of these videos is to give you conversational type phrases, vocabulary that will enable you to have, you know, every conversations in Twi, like everyday sort of dialogue. So in terms of structure, I'm gonna start the video off with a conversation. So it's gonna be like a 5 or 6 line conversation between two people. Hello, hi, the main part in the middle, thank you, goodbye. So that's the structure of the conversations that we're gonna have, and then I'm gonna dissect it. So we're gonna know the meanings of the words, we're gonna know the pronunciations, and then at the end of the video I'm gonna put like a five question quiz to help you test your knowledge on what you've just learned. So basically you're going to be translating Twi words into English. So in the description bar, just write question 1 to 5 and try and answer the questions at the end of the video without replaying the video, just to give me a gist of how you guys are interacting with the information and how you guys are taking the information. And also, if you do find these videos helpful and you'd like to see more of them, definitely give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave any other feedback in the comments section. Before we start our conversation, I think that it's important when you're learning any language to get a good grasp of the basics. And for me, the basics is the alphabet. So let's get started. Just to let you know, there are 22 alphabets in the Twi language, 2 of which are not found in English, which is O and E. There are 5 letters in the English alphabet that are not in Twi, which are Q, V, J, Z, and C. So I'm going to go through the alphabets from start to finish first, and then we can go through it together. You do see me looking down. I have some notes on my laptop just to keep me right. A, B, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, O, M, N, O, O, P, R, S, T, U, W, Y. I know. It's a lot, okay? I promise it will get easier. So we're gonna do the first 3 together and just try and build it out from there. So the first 3 is A, B, D. Okay? A, B, D. A, B, D. And we're gonna follow it on to E, F, G. Again, E, F, G. Last time, E, F, G. So let's do A up to G. 3, 2, 1. A, B, D. E, F, G. Again. A, B, D. E, F, G. You really want to open your mouth. You might look silly, but you need to open your mouth to pronounce these as they should, okay? Let's do that again. A to G. A, B, D. E, F, G. Right, let's keep it going. So it's E, K. E, K. E, K. So I is E, and then K is K. E, K. Let's start from A until K. So A, B, D, E, F, G, H, I, K. Again. A, B, D, E, F, G, H, I, K. Okay, so it gets a bit funny now because now it's like and okay, so it's oh, like you're doing an L, like L and L, O, Elena Munchkin Nana. Okay, Elena Munchkin Nana. Elena Munchkin Nana. O, O, O. So let's start from E to O. E, K. O, 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 O for octopus. You could probably use like that. Octopus. Try and find your own relationship with some of these letters. Try and find an English word or whatever language you speak that can relate to these to make it a bit easier, okay? Let's do E to O again, then we're going to start from A. E, K. O, O, O. Okay, we're going to do A to O. 3, 2, 1. A, B, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, O, O, O. Right. After O and O, we have P. People pronounce it in slightly different ways, so we're gonna go with my way today. Okay. P, R, S, T. Okay. P, R, S, T. P, R, S, T. And then the last bit, U, W, and Y. U, we, ye. U, we, ye. U, we, ye. Let's do P to ye. P, R, S, T. U, we, ye. Again. P, R, S, T. U, we, ye. Last time. P, R, S, T. U, we, ye. Okay? We're going to go through it again. Play this back if you need to over and over again and just get a good grasp of the alphabets, okay? So let's go through it one last time, I would say, okay? From A to Y. A, B, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, O, O, P, R, S, T, U, we, ye. Yay! Well done with those alphabets. As I said, keep playing that back just to get a good grasp of it, because I feel like if you can get this, you're on your way. So the guy goes on further and asks him, which part of Ghana are you from? So Ghana hefa na ofri. And then he says, nice to meet you. So how you say that is eye menije se meshiawo. Eye menije se meshiawo.